everyone. Welcome to News Moment English. I'm Shiny Day. Let's start today's news. The Uttar Pradesh government allows Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi along with 3 others to visit Lakhimpur Kheri. The Uttar Pradesh government has allowed Congress leaders Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi along with 3 others to visit Lakhimpur Kheri. Rahul Gandhi reached Lucknow airport in the afternoon along with Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi and Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel. Both the CMs announced ₹50 lakh compensation each for the families of the farmers and the journalists killed in the Lakhimpur Kheri incident. Making the announcement, Channi said, "My state is an agriculture-dominated state, and if farmers are going to be killed, we are not going to sit quiet. Congress will not going to sit quiet. We had a discussion with Rahul Gandhi here and have decided that the Punjab government will provide ₹50 lakh to the families of the farmers and the journalists who died in this incident." He further said that Congress is with farmers and would visit their houses for sure. The 2 CMs along with Rahul Gandhi also sat on a dharna at the airport after the police asked them to proceed only in an official vehicle. Rahul Gandhi then told to the police officer that, "Are you deciding how I would move? Just tell me the rule in this country that you would tell a citizen that you have to go through this route." He also said that they want that we go with them in their vehicle, and I am a citizen of this country. I have come to Uttar Pradesh. First they said I can go, then now they are saying that you have to go in police vehicle. Rahul Gandhi told this to the media persons. And he also adding that, "I just want to go to Lakhimpur Kheri. They think that we are afraid of them, but we are not." On the other hand, the farm leaders have given the Uttar Pradesh government a week time to arrest Ashish Misra, the son of Union Minister of State Ajay Misra, who was allegedly driving one of the 3 cars which plugged through a group of farmers protesters in Lakhimpur Kheri on Sunday. 4 farmers were killed in this incident while 4 others died in subsequent clashes. Under the leadership of Danish Aziz, a demonstration was occurred near Asansol Municipal Corporation office. AIMIM, under the leadership of Danish Aziz, staged a demonstration near Asansol Municipal Corporation office. They were demanding a proper infrastructure development for Gauri River and permanent solution from the repeatedly flood problems. Demanding for the 50% compensation of lost assets due to Gulab cyclone. In this, the dignitaries present were Izaz Ahmed, MD Rizwan, MD Shahbaz Amin, MD Shorat Alam, MD Nadim Akhtar and MD Shahnazbaz.
पश्चिम बर्दवान डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑल इंडिया मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन की पूरी टीम की तरफ से आप देख रहे हैं गुलाब साइक्लोन हाल ही में क्रॉस हुआ है, जिसकी वजह से महिलाओं का, बच्चों का कई घर उजड़ गए। 1-2 करोड़ में कई 2 करोड़ का नुकसान हुआ और सरकार को टैक्स थी। सरकार के पास 45 करोड़ देकर गढ़ी नदी का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट करने का लेकिन नहीं है। लेकिन जब बारिश आती है, जब साइक्लोन आता है, जब बाढ़ आता है, तो 200 करोड़ रुपया डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट ग्रुप से खर्च करके गरीबों का हेल्प करने के लिए बढ़ा देती है। आप एक साइड बोलते हैं फंड नहीं है, अभी 200 करोड़ का फंड कहाँ से आया आपके पास? ये पहली चीज। दूसरी चीज, ये हमारा ग्राउंड रिपोर्ट आपको बताते हैं। आप भी सुन के हैरत होंगे कि जब बारिश आई, गुलाब साइक्लोन आया, पूरे पश्चिम बर्दवान जिले में सिर्फ 3 एयरबोर्ड था। एयरबोर्ड जो होता है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ 3 था। तो क्या गवर्नमेंट को इसके बारे में पता नहीं था कि हाँ साइक्लोन आने वाली है, गवर्नमेंट इसका प्रिवेंटिव नहीं ले सकती थी, गवर्नमेंट सब कुछ कर सकती थी, प्रिवेंटिव ले सकती थी, इनको घर से हटा सकती थी, इनको सतर्क कर सकती थी, इनको बोल सकती थी कि आप अपने सामानों को दूसरी जगह शिफ्ट कर ले, ताकि इनका सामान भी नहीं नुकसान होता, इनका घर भी नुकसान नहीं होता और उनके बच्चे जो ट्रबल में रहे, एक एक बच्चे 9-9 घंटा 10-10 घंटा पानी में रहे, किसी माँ के गोद में बैठकर छत में गुजार दिया, किसी माँ के गोद में बैठकर टाट पे गुजार दिया, इसका जवाब कौन देगा? मौजूदा सरकार देगी या हम देंगे? क्योंकि सरकार में तो आप है ना, जवाब तो आपको देना पड़ेगा। क्यों बार बार ये फ्लूड जो आता है, बार बार चाहे वो थोड़ी सी पानी हो चाहे वो ज्यादा पानी हो, बार बार रेन पार इफेक्ट करता है, बार बार। आज देखिए, आज हमारे आसनसोल बाजार के सैकड़ों दुकानों में लगभग 15 लाख 20 लाख करके नुकसान हो गया। अगर गवर्नमेंट इस चीज को जानती थी तो उन्होंने पहले से प्रिवेंटिव क्यों नहीं?
थोड़ा ले लो। अरे इसका माँ का
किसी का कुछ नहीं है, मेरा घर परिवार देखिए, मेरा घर का पोजीशन कितना हुआ है, उसमें मेरा परिवार हम लोग रहते हैं, कितना पता नहीं, इसका कौन देगा जिम्मेदारी?
Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes from class 8 to 10, class 11, 12, Science, Arts, Commerce, Bengali and English, Graduation Honours and Program, Computer Science plus Application Economics, Sanskrit, Pol Science, Philosophy, BCom, and we also provided all types of competitive classes like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. Our contact number are 9932864067 and 8116183079. The Khan Shramik Congress affiliated to BMS organized a gate meeting at Baizdi Colliery demanding to stop shell of 10% share and 11th wage revision. It was led by Jainath Choube, Dayachand Nonia, Mahindra Gupta, Deepak Choube, Gurudev Mahato, Sitaram Prasad, Manoj Prasad, Ramakant Rai, Bhim Nonia, Dinesh Nonia and Triveni Prasad.
नंबर बंद, 3A पीट बंद, आपका माऊ की कुर्सी चल रहा था, एक वो भी बंद, और एक बगल में मिठानी है, उसकी भी स्थिति आपके सामने है। 600 टन बता रहे हैं कि रेटिंग है हमारे जेसीसी के मेंबर, कहा हम 12-1300 नहीं, सोदपुर का जो है प्रोडक्शन लगभग 3000 से ऊपर चलता था, आज हम 1000 का भी आंकड़ा नहीं छू पा रहे हैं। और आप रो रहे थे ना यहाँ हमारे माननीय सरदार गुरुदेव जी कि हम लोग को सामान नहीं मिलता है। जैसे आपका नोट शिप बन करके जाता है, हेडक्वार्टर में कहता है कि आप प्रोडक्शन कितना देते हो, प्रोडक्शन के आधार पर हम आपको जो है पैसा सैंक्शन करेंगे। प्रोडक्शन है ही नहीं, हम आलोचना तो किसी की कर सकते हैं, हम व्यवस्था के ऊपर प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह खड़ा कर सकते हैं, मजदूरों के अधिकारों की लड़ाई हम लड़ सकते हैं, लेकिन मजदूरों के बीच में जाकर के वह कौन ऐसा व्यक्ति है, कौन ऐसा संगठन है जो कर्तव्य के बारे में भी बतलावे कि हमारा दायित्व क्या है, हमारा कर्तव्य क्या है, इसके बारे में कौन ऐसे हिम्मत जुटा सकता है। तो इस देश के सबसे बड़े श्रम संगठन होने के नाते भारतीय मजदूर संघ का प्रतिनिधि यह जवाबदेही तय करता है कि हम एक तरफ जहां अपने मजदूर संगठनों के माध्यम से मजदूरों के अधिकारों की, उनकी सामाजिक सुरक्षा व्यवस्था की लड़ाई लड़ते हैं, वहीं अपने मजदूरों में कर्तव्य प्राणता के प्रति जो है हम आह्वान भी करते हैं, और मजदूर भारतीय मजदूर संघ के ऊपर काफी विश्वास करता है, ऐसा मैं दावे के साथ कह सकता हूं। कारण क्या है कि हम आपके बीच में उल्टी सीधी बातें नहीं करने वाले हैं, जो हकीकत है वही हम आपको बतलाएंगे। ईसीएल का प्रोडक्शन काफी पीछे चल रहा है, गत वर्ष के प्रोडक्शन की तुलना में हमारा ग्रोथ 20.6 आसपास पीछे है। अभी बहुत आंकड़ा दे रहे थे हमारे सतीश जी के पास सारे आंकड़े मौजूद हैं, लेकिन हम बता दें आपको कि जब ईसीएल को कंपनी को जमीन की जरूरत पड़ती है तो हमारे कंपनी के प्रबंधन को जमीन नहीं मिल रहा है, और जमीन नहीं मिलने के चलते ही महेंद्र जी ने कहा कि जहां 70 और 72 मिलियन मीट्रिक टन हम
A meeting along with the all puja committees was organized by Sanso Durgapur Police Commissionerate in Rabindra Bhavan.
A meeting of the Puja committee was organized by the Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate at Rabindra Bhavan in Asansol on Tuesday afternoon. Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate Police Commissioner S. Nilkantam, District DM S. Arun Prasad, DC Headquarters Anshuman Shahad, DC Traffic Anand Roy, ADM Dr. Abhijit Shivalankar and Shandip Tudu, Power Department D. Shuman Kumar Maji, OC of Fire Department Fayaz Ahmed Khan, and all the ACPs of Police Commissionerate and all ACPs, ICs, Asansol Chamber of Commerce President Naresh Agarwal, Trinamool Leader Gurudwar Chatterjee, and senior administration officials along with representatives of various puja committees of the city were also present. The police commissioner said that the rules must be followed. He said that there would be no night curfew on these days of puja because on those days people would enjoy the puja at night. He also instructed the puja committees to keep the pandal open from 3 directions. He said that no entry board should be installed in every mandapa. In addition, he instructed the puja committees to keep masks and sanitizers in the pandal. He said that the government is providing financial assistance in this regard so that all this can be arranged. With this, he said that a team called Shakti has been formed with female police personnel to ensure the safety of women who will patrolling the city with 5 scooties. At the event, the puja committees informed the administrative officials about parking and other problems during their puja. Puja guide was also published in Tuesday's program.
Want to be a doctor? Hold the hands of an expert. Coaching for medical need AIMS entrance examinations by D.K. Lal Sir. Regular classes for class 11th, 12th and BSc. Contact number 9832 824 975. According to ECL sources, a thief with ECL scrap was caught in a raid at Radha Ballabpur warehouse in Shangamgarh of Salanpur area around 2 p.m. on Monday. Security personnel confiscated a 12-wheeler truck, a JCB machine and unnumbered scooter from the spot. Security personnel rushed to the spot as soon as they got the news. Police and CISF rushed to the spot after informing the SF. They conducted a joint operation and arrested a youth named Mohammad Wasim, a resident of Budhar under Hirapur police station in Asansol. Along with scrap, gas cutting machine, a JCB, a truck and a unnumbered scooter. All the confiscated vehicles and equipments including the youth were handed over to the Salanpur police for the purpose of investigating the incident. Besides, a written complaint was lodged on behalf of the ECL regarding the whole incident. In a few days after Puja this month, sand will be sailed across the West Bardhaman district again through E-Chalan. This will alleviate the crisis of construction work that has been halted for a long time due to lack of sand or workers are not getting work. Sandip Tudu, additional district governor of the district land revenue department, said those who have already deposited money in the government's house for sand lease will be able to supply sand through e-invoicing. For this purpose, 2 areas of Pandaveshwar, 2 areas of Barabuni and 1 area of sand ghats of Andal have already been identified. BLR has also been asked to provide information on where and how much sand is in other places. Before selling sand, you have to log in the portal of West Bengal Minerals Development Trading Corporation and get the invoice out. It is learned that the leased traders will be able to sell to any person on the basis of that run. The information that BL Aurora will collect in the next few days will include how many people have been leased in the current financial year, at which wherevers, and how many invoices they have already been used. Challenge: 100% success guarantee or 100% money refund with court agreement. JEE and NEET coaching by Motion, the Durgapur Study Center. Contact us 9434 822 278 and 8900 100 080. According to our reporter Surajit Sen Gupta, generally in Navaratri the 9 forms of Ma Durga were worshipped for 9 days. But in Dhenuya village of Banpur, Durga Puja is completed in a single day. Here the worship from Shashti to Dashami is done in 1 hour. This unique Durga Puja is being organized for the last 48 years. This puja is organized every year on the day of Mahalaya, that is at the end of Sharad Praksha. This year also this unique Durga Puja was organized in the midst of Corona crisis. It is organized in Dhenua village located in Banpur, where a one-day unique Durga Puja was organized on Thursday. This Durga Puja is also known as Mahamaya Durga Puja. On the day of Mahalaya, all the chants of Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashami were all worshipped within an hour in the worship. Local people say that since 1973, this worship has been done in Kali Krishna Yogashwaram of Dhenua village, which was started by Satyanand Brahmachari. However, the worship was closed for 3 years after the first year's event. According to our reporter Ramanand Pashwan, in Bandaveshwar Purana Thana Road, the couple celebrated their daughter's birthday by doing a blood donation camp, donating clothes and planting trees on the birthday of their 5-year-old daughter. In this regard, Ashrujit Mitro told that, on the 5th birthday of my daughter Anisha Mitro, I thought of organizing such an event for the first time, and organized this event in which all the family members, Andal Police Station in charge Shantanu Adhikari, noted poet Arun Chakrabarti, Pinaki Basu, Trinamool Congress West Bardhaman District Council co-mentor Kanchan Mitra, Women Trinamool Congress District President and Jila Parishad Karma President Minati Hazra, social worker Shashi Choube, Dr. Arpan Chakrabarti were present. The camp was inaugurated by poet Arun Chakrabarti by cutting the lace of the camp, while Durgapur subdivision collected blood in a collaboration with Volunteer Blood Donors Forum. This is the first time in 5 years that my family has celebrated a daughter's birthday like this. On the first birthday, and his mother used to plan to do something new. On Tuesday, a birthday party was held at Old Thana Road in Andal. Family and relatives were present there. Through a small search on the spot, new clothes were given to 100 needy people of the area. The guests who come on the birthday planted 100 saplings. Blood donation camp was also organized. 27 guests donated blood in the camp. Relatives attended the party. Dr. Pinaki Bosh, poet and writer Arun Kumar Chakraborty and others blessed the girl.
তার মানে তো জগৎ জুড়ে নতুন নতুন সৃষ্টি অনাসৃষ্টি করে পালা ঝড় বড় বৃষ্টি এই যে মেয়ে মিষ্টি মেয়ে বৃষ্টি আনছে
Biofina, drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll-free number 1800-258-7060.
In the Bahula Free Primary School premises of Pandaveshwar Vidhan Sabha, Trinamool Congress organized a cloth distribution ceremony. In this Vashan Poro Ma festival, in the auspicious hands of Pandaveshwar Vidhan Sabha MLA Narendranath Chakraborty among 2,500 women, the sarees were distributed and the top students and the girls in secondary and higher secondary were honored. Before the ceremony, the program was started by lighting the lamp and honoring the guests present. The MLA Narendranath Chakraborty said on this occasion that the worship of Goddess Durga has started. The worship starts in West Bengal from Mahalaya itself. The Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee decided to give sari for mothers and sisters so that in Durga Puja, the biggest worship of West Bengal, all mothers and sisters can celebrate Durga Puja by wearing new clothes. Hence, the majority area of Pandaveshwar Vidhan Sabha, a cloth distribution festival has been organized in this region. 2,500 sarees were distributed in all the 25 booths of Bahula Gram Panchayat, while 10,000 cloths were distributed in all the 3 zones, along with a target of giving 25,000 sarees in the entire assembly. Madan Bauri, President of Pandaveshwar Panchayat Samiti, were present on this occasion.
A program was organized on Wednesday on behalf of Bardhaman branch of Bank of India Officers or Association in the auditorium of a private hotel located to Goduli Mode in Asansol, where the officers of the association Sanjay Das was present. Apart from this, members of the association including Raniganj MLA cum Adda Chairman Taposh Banerjee were present. In this program, Sanjay Das fiercely criticized the central government in his statement and said that the way the central government is privatizing the banks, it will break the economic bank of the country in the coming times. He also said that during this corona period, it was the employees of the national banks that did not allow the country's economic momentum to stop. But today, due to the privatization of the central government banks, there has been a decrease in the job available in the banks. The general public is not getting much benefit from the bank. MLA cum Adda Chairman Taposh Banerjee said that today the country is financially poor due to the anti-people policies of the BJP government at the center. Taking a jib at the central government, he said that due to march of many banks, jobs have come down. He said that I am with him in the struggling of Trinamool bank officers.
According to our reporter Vikash Prasad, a meeting of BJP leader Shubhendu Adhikari in front of the Shargar Health Center of Kulti on 8th of October to distribute the materials to the families affected by this disaster Gulab in Asansol was not allowed by the administration due to political reasons. Giving information, former councillor and current BJP leader Abhijit Acharya has said that the administration was informed about the cancellation of the program on Wednesday morning.
Abhijit Acharya, said that one is the problems of COVID, and in the last few days people in many areas of Asansol have been affected by natural calamities. Their homes have been destroyed. A program was kept for allotment of saris, tarpaulins and other materials to all those poor people. The materials were to be distributed by Shubhendu Adhikari, the leader of the opposition party in the state assembly. The BJP leader Abhijit Acharya said that we have organized the program only after taking permission from the administration, but the police and Trinamool leaders cancelled the event because they got scared by the arrival of Shubhendu Adhikari and closed the program.
হচ্ছে মানুষকে বিরক্ত করা, বিজেপির কাজই হচ্ছে সমাজকে ডিস্টার্ব করা। তো ডিসপেন্সারি কেন, হসপিটালের ভিতরেও ওরা করবে কয়েকদিন পরে। তো আজকে পশ্চিমবঙ্গের যে মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের জয়লাভের মধ্যেখান দিয়ে আজকে নতুন করে চিন্তা করেছে যে এরকম ব্যাপার আছে যে এই সমস্তগুলো বন্ধ করতে হবে, তার জন্য আমরা লোক পাঠিয়ে বন্ধ করিয়েছি এবং পুলিশ প্রশাসন ব্যবস্থা গ্রহণ করেছে।
বিজেপির নেতার অভিযোগ হচ্ছে এই জমিটা রয়েছে ইসিএলের, যেহেতু কর্পোরেশন ওইখানে বাউন্ডারি ওয়াল করে আছে।
ইসিএল আছে তো বিজেপির কী আছে? আসানসোলের জমি তো, আসানসোলের মানুষের জমি তো। ইসিএল আর বিজেপির কী আছে? আসানসোলের মানুষ বুঝবে কী করবে, আসানসোলের সমাজ বুঝবে কী করবে।
Today's SMS of the moment. As you celebrate the triumph of goodness over evil, may Ma Durga bestow your different forms of blessings, fame, health, happiness, humanity, devotion, knowledge, power, name and wealth. Happy Durga Puja to you and your family. To all the viewers, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.